It's your friend, Timothy Mouse. As you know, Dumbo is a real high flyer. So as to make your flight a safe one, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And for all you grown-up types, be sure to watch your kids. To make your pachyderm fly higher, just raise the magic lever right in front of you. Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show on the road. Okay, everybody, now just hold your horses, elephants, until Dumbo comes to a stop. Then you can walk to the nearest exit. See you soon.